This tutorial review will show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group, page and profile. The first thing we need to clear that the anonymous option is only available for Facebook group. We can't post anonymously on our Facebook page and on our Facebook profile. You can post anonymously in a group if the group admins allow anonymous posts are available to you and your group. After you submit an anonymous post, it will be reviewed by admins before it's published in the group. Note that if you post anonymously, your name and your profile picture will still be visible to the group's admins and moderators, as well as to Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook and click on groups and open the group where you want to post anonymously. And then you will get the anonymous post option here. So click on that. Click on create anonymous post. And now write something here. Submit. Post. And as you can see, I've successfully posted an anonymous post. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.